Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll guide you through checking a user's location on Instagram. First, let's launch your Instagram app. There are actually several ways to find a user's location on Instagram. First is you have to go to the user's profile. You can do this by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the Instagram navigation bar, and there you can access the Explore page. From there, search for the user's account. Alternatively, if you have the account in your direct messages, you can access it from here. Once you're on the user's profile, look for the location information. Depending on the type of account, personal or business, the location might be listed in the bio section. But if not, you can still check the location by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner of the profile. You just have to select About This Account, and it will display the location information. In this example, we can see that the account is based in the United States. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.